So I've seen many skincare routines on the internet and all of them are really good, especially the Korean ones. But the problem is it's just too much work. I mean, you apply like 3 different products to the face right after you wake up before even taking a shower. And then you prep your face for the shower and then you apply like 2 different moisturizers to the face because you just washed it. And that's not all. You need to repeat this like 3 times a day, otherwise it's no good. So I made my own skincare routine which is 99.99% hassle-free and it includes only 2 products, a face wash and a moisturizer. In my skincare routine, the main thing is neither the products nor their usage. The main thing is drinking more than enough water. Here, let me tell you how it helps. See, everything we consume contains some amount of salts, right? So as soon as we consume them, they start making our body dry and dehydrated from the inside, including our facial skin. And to compensate for this dryness, the pores present on our face start secreting oils. And one could say this is a good thing, like our body is trying to hydrate itself, but only for a short duration. Because in such a situation, if we don't wash our face on time, these oils can actually clog the pores, which can then turn into acne and pimple breakouts. And therefore, drinking more than enough water is always the first priority for me before any products and before the number of times I wash my face every day. And other than the face, drinking more water has got like endless number of benefits, including better hair. But as I said, my skincare routine includes only 2 products, a face wash and a moisturizer. So my routine goes like this. I wake up and try to drink 2 glasses of water, which has never been possible for me, but I still try to do that every single day. And then I wash my face while bathing. I do not make the effort to wash my face separately and then go to the bathroom to take a shower. No. I wash my face while bathing in the morning with this Beardo charcoal face wash, and I have tried the Garnier Acno Fight as well and I did like it, and the issue with that was it left my face too dry for my liking, so I'm gonna stuck with this one for now. But I wash my face in the morning while bathing, followed by the application of a moisturizer, and currently I'm using this moisturizer from the Man Company. I used to use the Nivea moisturizer before this one and a Garnier moisturizer before that one, and the Garnier one was really good as well. It moisturized my face really well and it had SPF 15 built in, so it kind of protected my face from the harmful UV rays that our computer screens also emit. But this one is really good as well because this one does not make my skin appear or feel oily after like 10 minutes of application. But sometimes I feel like this is a generic unbranded product that got branded by the Man Company, but I guess that's okay if this is working for me. And after that, I just let my face be until the evening, and I wash my face in the evening only on the days when I'm feeling like my face is either too dirty or too oily. And this usually happens when I have to go outside for some reason. But one thing is for sure, I always wash my face before going to the bed in the night, because I believe that our face contains a lot of dust and dirt that it was catching throughout the day, and even if I washed my face in the evening, it would still accumulate a lot of dust and dirt by the night time. And if I didn't wash my face before going to bed for the sleep, all of that dirt is going to remain on my face for the entire night, plus all the dirt that my pillows and my blankets contain. And that can become really nasty when you think about it. So it is really important for me to wash my face before I go to the bed in the night for the sleep. And that is actually the same reason I can wait to wash my face until I shower the following morning. And I won't lie to you, sometimes I skip using face wash and just rinse my face with water when I'm too tired, but it is there. And that is about the most minimal skincare routine that you can ever find on the internet. And if this brought any sort of value to you, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. But with that being said, I'll see you around. Alpha.